About a year ago, I made a video about this project called Center Cam. It's a webcam at the end of a long cable that you can hang in the middle of your monitor, which allows you to have like eye contact with the people you're in video call with. I thought it was a cool concept and I just wanted to check back where they are as of now. And it seems like they have launched the product. There are two variants. There's a Center Cam and the Center Cam Deluxe. What's the difference? I think the Deluxe one has a ring light. Is that the only difference? How much does it cost anyway? $119. Ooh, that's a bit higher than I expected. I mean, sure, it's a nice concept and no one else has a product quite as unique as this, but ultimately it's just a webcam on long cable with a flexible, coil around it. I don't want to be mean. I know that there's a lot of design and thought which has gone behind this, but $119, bro, really? Now, to be frank, that light is pretty common. I have one right here which is exactly the same or similar, but they have modified the design to have a better clamp and one of those holders on the front. So that's good. They have worked with manufacturers to make things better. They haven't just chosen something that they found. I guess that's why it costs a little bit more. I saw some reviews from users and some of them say that the cable makes it kind of fidgety. It kind of wobbles around the screen. If you accidentally, slam your desk or if you bump into your monitor, it kind of moves the camera around. That may or may not be a annoying thing for most people. I mean, as long as you don't touch your screen or you just have a conversation, that's fine, I guess. But even minor movements in the camera can really change the image. It's a 1080p camera capable of 30 fps video and the video quality looks really good from the samples. But it doesn't have a microphone and the light and everything combined costs $139. There are obviously cheaper alternatives from more established brands, but they don't have this unique eye contact style positioning. But honestly, is that a big deal? Is it really that important to you? Even in his demo, the founder shows how he uses it and he constantly moves it around the screen to maintain that eye contact. Basically, unless your Zoom call or any window is full screen, this won't be in eye contact mode. You have to keep it at the center of your video call screen. Meaning that if you're in a presentation and you're presenting something, so if you move your windows around, you kind of have to move the camera with it to maintain that eye contact. That may not be something that everyone does, but I'm just saying, based on his own demonstration, it feels like a chore to something that otherwise we don't even think about. A webcam is just something we plug in and forget. That's the whole purpose, really. So I'm not sure. What about you? Do you think eye contact is that important? The founder is obviously very passionate about it. He talks about how eye contact improves human connection and emotion and everything. To me, it's just a freaking video call. You hop on there, you talk for 15 minutes and you're out. Unless it's a family call, there are no real human connection, emotion things going on there. The meeting has a purpose, ideally, and once that purpose is completed, you're out of there. And in my case, I spend most of my time watching a screen, someone sharing their screen. In fact, it has been almost a year since I turned on my webcam. I have 2 webcams lying around here. I never turned them on even once. They're not even connected. I mean, at least in work, everyone is at the meeting for a reason. No one's really out there for chit-chatting. And if you are chit-chatting, you already have a high quality camera with you. That's your phone. Your phone has a better quality camera than what I imagine this thing can do. Look, all I'm saying is this may not be for everyone. It's a cool concept for sure, but I'm not sure about $139. I mean, kudos to the creator. They had the bravery to execute on their idea, and that's a big deal. And I'm really excited to see what they do with this idea. They're constantly refining it. I wonder where they'll be in another 6 months. What do you think of this idea, Center Cam? I'll leave a link to their website in the description if you want to check them out. But yeah, let me know what your video call preferences are like.